10 milliliters of oil per cutting hour is all the oil that this Peddinghaus beam processing machine uses. The machine incorporates a Unist minimum quantity lubrication system that precisely, and with dead accurate repeatability, controls the Coolube 2210 EP vegetable oil through the machine spindle, through the tool, and exits at the drill tip. Check out the benefits of Coolube over other cheaper products that are on the market. Significantly increases blade and tool life. A cost-effective conversion for all machine types. No waste, kind to the environment, and no wasting money either. More economical in the long run. Using Coolube preserves machine parts for longer and prevents rusting. Clean. No more messy slip hazards from excess coolant oozing down machines and walkways. The minimum quantity lubrication system dispenses precisely the amount of Coolube needed, no more and no less. Better for machine operators, no more dermatitis caused by skin contact with coolants. Coolube does not oxidize or go sticky. 100% chlorine and silicone-free Coolube contains no petrochemical products. 100% biodegradable. Nowadays, many manufacturers are under pressure to go green. Unist Coolube is one of the most advanced metalworking fluids available today, implementing minimum quantity lubrication, MQL. A no-waste dispensing system with Unist Coolube is an easy step to limit the environmental footprint of your manufacturing operation. MQL is the process of applying minute amounts of high-quality metalworking fluid lubricant directly to the cutting tool or workpiece interface, instead of using traditional flood coolants. It minimizes your environmental impact by significantly reducing fluid usage and eliminating the need for coolant treatment and disposal. These benefits are multiplied further when using 100% biodegradable Coolube lubricants, that is, metalworking fluids which are formulated from renewable plant-based oils. When considering these facts, along with the performance benefits of Coolube and MQL, it becomes obvious that this is the most advanced and responsible answer to running metal cutting and metal forming equipment. Using the right lubricant is very important in MQL applications. The perfect lubricant will adhere to the surface of the tool and provide a thin, low-friction barrier between the cutting tool and workpiece. Studies have shown that Coolube has superior properties which make it an ideal lubricant.